Hello everyone, this is Whitney.
This is Anna. We are from
Landpack. Anna,
Yes?
today I bring two packages from my customer. He wants to package make us use tin can and this Premade bag. Do you have good solution for us?
Yes, absolutely. We are specialized in the packing solutions over 16 years. Today, we are customized one of these two-in-one tin and also pre-made flat bottom cold shaped bag filling machine line to you. So let's see how to work it. For this two-in-one customized packing solution, let's see the first part. It is for the pre-made bag granule packing machine. So you can see this, it is for the 1 to 6 mixed scale. It can at the same time for mixing 1 to 6 different granules like the raisins, peanuts, and also cashew and red date. After setting your target weight, you are filling the granules. It will be fitting like this packaging conveyor one by one. And this packaging conveyor, it is controlled by the electronic box. This electronic box, you can choose. It is, for this one, it is for left fitting. If you choose left fitting, the granule will fitting to the pre-made bag packing machine. If you choose the right fitting, the granule will be fitting to the right ticking filling machine line. So let's see the pre-made bag, how it working. So this part, it is for the pick up of the bag. And you can say for this pickup will be, and then will be a suction cup that will open the bag from the top to the bottom. And then it will be filling for the product. During the filling, the left side have a nitrogen flushing function. It is called the nitrogen to keep the air fresh. And after that, they will close the bag and then they will go be the sealing. And after that, they will be sealing the bag and use this conveyor bag to collect the finished bag here.
Okay, this is the second part of our packaging solution. And first, this is our empty cans feeder. And the next one is our UV sterilization channel. Next one is our nurse filling machine, which shares the same elevator and the mixture weir with the Premade bag machine. This is the lips feeder. This part is the vacuuming, seaming, and nitrogen filling machine. And this is our one cans labeling machine. This is the can flipping device. Our customer requires a reserved space for coating on the bottom of the cans. And this is the finished product conveyor. Let's learn the operation video of the whole machine. Okay, thanks for your watching.
If you have any other new inquiry and new orders, you can contact us at below website. Bye bye.